Insurance company after insurance company leaving the Sunshine State. Farmers Insurance is the latest to pull out.
Close to 100,000 people will need to find new insurance. The Night Beat's Amy Gallo joins us live in Estero. And Amy, how are state leaders reacting?
Well, Chief Financial Officer Jimmy Petronis wants Farmers Insurance to know there is still time to, quote, change course. He says the state legislature has been working towards stabilizing our market, and because of that, he sees this decision by the Farmers Insurance as more of a reflection of bad leadership on their part than a reflection of a poor market here in Florida. Close to 100,000 people will now have to go shopping for new insurance.
Just as a continuing situation of an extremely volatile Florida insurance market.
Farmers Insurance is out, leaving Florida for good, and all of its auto, home, and umbrella policyholders behind. A move echoed by other companies.
Over the last 18 months, 15 Florida property insurers have placed a moratorium on writing new business. 4 companies, including Farmers Group, have announced voluntary market withdrawals.
So how does this affect you? Well,
only policies under the Farmers branded company will be impacted.
And that's some relatively good news. Farmers Insurance offers coverage through many different brands, so that means anyone with Bristol West, Foremost, and Farmers Group Select won't be affected by this pullout.
Farmers will still have about 70% of its business in full here in Florida. So roughly 30% is the Farmers branded business that is being withdrawn from the market.
But what comes next for the 30% that is affected? Well, Florida law requires insurance companies to give the OIR, or Office of Insurance Regulation, 90 days notice in writing if it wants to stop writing insurance in the state. Farmers Insurance Group sent that in on Monday. Now it must also give its policyholders 120 days notice before the effective date of non-renewal.
You could shop your coverage now if you'd like to make sure you are safe and secure and have locked in a new policy before your current policy term expires. But regardless, if you don't do that, you're going to be fully covered under the terms of your existing Farmers policy until the final date.
That means no one's policy is being canceled right away, and none are ending midterm. In a statement to Wink News, an insurance commissioner with the insurance regulation told us that the regulation is, quote, disappointed by the hastiness in this decision and troubled by how it might have cascading effects for many insurance policyholders here in the state of Florida. Live on the Night Beat, Amy Gallo, Wink News.